So, what's an AI? So I gave a brief explanation of the field of artificial intelligence and why it's important in the real world in the previous slide. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence or AI? An AI is a program because that's all it is. It's a bunch of lines of code that thinks like humans. That's it. If coded the right way, a chess AI can play chess on par with the top chess players of the world. So that's how it works. So that's how you create your AI programs to achieve things, to solve problems. Similarly, you can create AIs to solve a lot of problems, from game to health to pretty much everything. The sky is the limit, and as I said before, we've barely scratched the surface of this field. So you can solve any kind of real world problems, very trivial to very complicated, with AI. Understanding the human brain is the most complex problem our species has ever encountered, and we still haven't completely understood it. In fact, we don't really know how our brain works, how it was formed, how it can think so complexly at all. So by creating AIs, we serve the purpose of understanding how our brain works, that is, how our intelligence works as well. So, intelligence. To understand intelligence, you need to understand problem solving. Our human brain solves problems every single day. While driving on the road, we encounter too many problems to count. Do I press the brake now? Am I going within the speed limit? Do I overtake this car or not? Is it safe to switch on the radio at full blast like my kids want me to? How do I reach my destination? There is a roadblock here, so I need to look for a new route to reach my destination. So these are things that you think about when you drive. These are just a couple of things that you think about when you drive. So these are just a few problems we encountered. We don't even consider these problems because problem solving in the real world comes really easy to us, because that's how our brain is wired. We've been solving problems for eons. So the problems we were solving were different in every age, but we have been solving problems for a long time, and that's how we evolved to being the apex predator right now, right? But if we try to teach these problem solving skills to an animal, even the most intelligent animal out there, you'll realize how truly difficult it is to just drive on a road. Something that comes easy to us is impossible for pretty much every other species out there. This is called intelligence. Our problem-solving ability that comes innately to us is our intelligence. With artificial intelligence, we are teaching computer programs on how to solve the same problems we solve every single day. There are projects that are trying to create AIs that can drive on the road without any help from humans and make the hundreds of decisions, even the thousands of decisions that we make every single day without a problem. Scientists are trying to create AIs on how to play and win at the most complex games out there, like chess, checkers, Go, and so on. So that's what we are trying to achieve. We are trying to create intelligence that can replicate us, that can not replace us, but at least replicate us, imitate us in some way or another, that can think on its own, solve problems on its own, help us out in the world, because we only have so many brains out there. We can always use more, right? So we are trying to create intelligent brains with computers. That's what artificial intelligence is. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.